So think about that. You're building your business right now. The shit that makes the money is actually pretty boring. So Jason Capital made this really good point at one of our events, and it was making money is boring. Once we find that mechanism that makes us money, you're just simply rinsing, repeating, and you're doing it over and over and over again, and you're getting better and better and better at it. And when you're able to rinse and repeat, you're able to scale with better consistency. And that's just how you make more and more money. But the shit that makes the money is actually pretty boring. There's a lot of things that he said that he doesn't even want to do, but he kind of has to because it makes him money. It builds his business. It allows him to scale. There's just a lot of boring shit too in my business that I don't want to do. So think about that. You're building your business right now. A lot of the things that are actually moving the needle and making you more money and allowing you to profit more, or allowing you to maybe get more team members. You're stretching your margins, which allows you to spend more money on things that move the needle, allow you to scale. Are those things actually exciting? Most of the time they're not. Building systems, automations, Slack chats, processes, and just overall congruency in your company, that's not really fun shit. It's just stuff that has to happen for you to move the needle. So stop thinking that the making the money part is exciting. It's what the money does for you, and it also is what the money allows you to do with the system and stuff you already have in place.